Hi everybody, welcome to GearDemo.com. My name is Russell Anderson. I hope you are having a wonderful day. At GearDemo.com, we're building a directory of instrument and gear teachers and tutors that all teach live one-on-one via video conference. So you can connect with these people and have your own individual sessions. These are not pre-recorded videos or tutorials. Today, we're going to be looking at guitar teachers, and I have to say that at GearDemo.com, it's pretty much an embarrassment of riches. We have some fantastic players. We're going to talk about 4 of them today. Let's get started. Okay, first up today is Mr. Mike Alt. Now, Mike may look familiar to many of you as he has been the demo man for PRS Guitars for years. His association with Paul Reed Smith Guitars goes way back. He's been on stage for so many of those unbelievable concert experiences that Paul puts on. He's played with some of the best guitar players in all the world and always holds his own. He's really an amazing player and a fantastic teacher. Mike is really a pillar of the musician community here in Washington, D.C., both on stage and in the studio. Longtime player, fantastic teacher. Can't say enough good stuff about Mike Alt. Next up is Mr. Alex Price. Now, Alex might look familiar to you as well, as he has a very robust YouTube channel where he demos all sorts of gear, guitars, processors, etc. Great guy, great player. He is a degreed music educator. He's got his stuff together. He's also a pro player. He just finished a 1-year engagement with the Cunard Cruise people. He was actually on the Queen Elizabeth, and now he's back in town, available to teach and to play. I love his jazz chops. And by the way, if you're a guitar player that feels like you need a little bit of theory work, this is the guy. I mean, this is the guy. He's the whole package. He's got the playing and the theory across all the genres. Love Alex Price. Next up is Mr. Zach Patton. Now, Zach is a pro player out of Nashville, Tennessee. Fantastic player. He's got great chops. Love the way he plays. I still remember the very first time I ever saw Zach Patton play. I walked into a club, heard some guitar playing, and it was one of those hold everything moments. I got to see who this is. I'd never seen him before. I waited till they took a break so I could go up and introduce myself. I subsequently took a couple of lessons with Zach and still to this day benefit from several of the things we talked about those first days. So can't recommend Zach enough. You're going to love this guy. Zach Patton. Last but certainly not least today is Mr. Chris Dodson out of Charleston, South Carolina. Chris, I refer to him as the hardest working musician in Charleston. This guy is playing all the time. He has projects, sometimes 2 and 3 a day. Weekends, he travels away for weddings. Fantastic player and deserves every bit of the success he's realizing right now in his professional career. He is a wonderful man, a fantastic teacher. Can't say enough about Chris. Go to GearDemo.com, read a little bit more about him. I know you're going to love him as well. Okay, well that wraps it up for today. That's 4 fantastic guitar instructors, all available at GearDemo.com. You can go there, read a little bit more about them, make your best selection as to who you think you can connect with, but you're not going to make a mistake. All 4 of these guys are fantastic guitar instructors. I wish you the very best going forward. Thank you so much for paying attention today. I look forward to talking with you soon. Goodbye now. Hi everybody, I'm Russell Anderson, and my job at GearDemo.com is to find you the absolute best private instruction I can find. At GearDemo.com, we're building a registry of private instructors and tutors from all over the world that teach live via video conference, one-on-one, so that you can study from the comfort of your own home. You can ask your questions and hear their tips, tricks, and solutions to the challenges that you're having. We're off to a fast start with some great teachers. I hope you'll get on over to GearDemo.com and check us out.